This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C serum for beginners. Begin by patch testing and choosing a low concentration for sensitive skin. Cleanse and pat your face dry before applying a few drops of serum with gentle pressing motions. Use vitamin C in the morning under sunscreen for antioxidant protection. Start slowly, 3 times a week, and increase as your skin tolerates it to avoid irritation. Apply 3 to 5 drops of serum to face and neck, pressing gently with fingertips for even coverage and absorption. Avoid layering acidic exfoliants or combining with retinoids at the same time to reduce irritation risk. If you plan to use both, alternate evenings or consult a dermatologist for a tailored schedule. Keep the serum capped and stored away from heat and light to maintain effectiveness and prevent oxidation. Vitamin C works best in the morning to boost sun protection when paired with broad-spectrum SPF. Layer a hydrating hyaluronic acid serum beneath vitamin C if you need extra moisture. Avoid combining vitamin C with benzoyl peroxide or strong acids in the same routine to limit irritation. Introduce products one at a time so you can identify reactions and adjust frequency based on your skin's response.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.